Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable lock screen wallpaper services. We start by holding down the screen in an empty place and then click on Wallpaper and Style. After that, we click on the Change Wallpapers option. Here we will scroll and click on Wallpaper Services. Then we will activate the None option and then confirm with the Apply option to deactivate it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.